Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. If you're looking to transform your WordPress site into a fully functional online store, WooCommerce is the perfect solution, and getting it set up is easier than you might think. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already logged in. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the WordPress site where you want to install WooCommerce. This step is essential because you'll need full access to your site's backend to add and configure plugins. Now that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From here, click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options related to managing your site's plugins. From these expanded options, go ahead and click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find thousands of plugins that can extend your WordPress site's functionality, and WooCommerce is one of the most popular ones available. Once you're on the plugins page, you'll see a vast collection of available plugins ready to enhance your WordPress site. To find WooCommerce specifically, look for the search bar located in the top right part of your screen. Type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you the WooCommerce plugin along with any related extensions. From the search results, locate the main WooCommerce plugin and click on More Details. This will open an overview window where you can read through all the features and functions that WooCommerce offers, from product management to payment gateways and shipping options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what this powerful plugin can do for your online store. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now at the bottom of the overview window. The installation process will begin, so give it a moment to complete. You'll see a progress indicator as WordPress downloads and installs the plugin files. Once the installation has finished, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable WooCommerce on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically and you'll be taken back to your WordPress dashboard. If you look at your left navigation menu now, you'll notice that WooCommerce has been added as a new option. This confirms that the plugin has been successfully installed and activated on your site. From this point, you can begin configuring your store settings, adding products, and customizing your shop to fit your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully installed the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress, and you're ready to start building your online store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.